Still our number one choice for all the previously listed reasons, but this stock has a lot going for it. The Cybertruck is only starting its initial manufacturing run, and based on the number of reservations, it has more than any other upcoming electric vehicle. The company has many advantages over the rest of the industry in terms of cost of capital, due to its sheer scale as measured by market capitalization. Recall that in terms of market capitalization, they are the biggest company in the sector. Although their annual volumes aren't nearly as high as others, we believe the stock will eventually outperform its current price. That is our top choice, then. Several analysts have reaffirmed their belief that Tesla's stock is overvalued in the wake of the company's recent stock price decline. Although the recent sharp increase in Tesla stock has alarmed analysts and investors alike, the impetus has slowed recently. This may have even caused some investors to panic. However, it's crucial that investors remember Tesla's past before we seize the next chance to sell company stock. The company's stock price has previously fallen following a significant rally, and Tesla has proven throughout the years that it is capable of rising above setbacks and experiencing further success. However, let's even assume that Tesla's stock takes some time to recover and is unable to reach $300 this month. Is this a good enough reason to sell the stock? In this video, we'll discuss a problem that has been bothering a lot of Tesla investors: why it doesn't really matter if the company's stock price is now declining. While this subject may seem counterintuitive, it is also necessary to stay on the right path when investing in Teslas. So let's do this now. The poll has been conducted annually since 2019. The pandemic prevented us from conducting it in 2020, but the top 3 worries that respondents have consistently expressed are pricing, range concerns, and where people will charge them. Still, fewer and fewer people are worried about it. That's not as much of an issue now. It has decreased over the years that we have conducted this study. This year, 42% of respondents stated that was a concern, down from, I think, 42% last year. It was 49% the previous year, and that was only 1 year. Thus, we are undoubtedly witnessing a significant and timely relaxation. How much of the pricing simplicity may be attributed to the developed incentives? The federal incentives, roughly $7,500 for new cars, are something we discuss frequently, but state incentives also apply, depending on where you live. That must significantly reduce the cost of an EV right away, don't you think? It can, and it undoubtedly enhances its appeal. It's a bit of a mixed bag, I'll admit. The automobiles that qualified for the full federal tax rebate were modified by the Inflation Reduction Act. As a result, while certain brands were removed, some cars that were not previously on the list are now on it. It kind of relied on the manufacturing location of the car and the location of the battery's material suppliers. I am aware that Hyundai and Kia have a fantastic range of fully electric and plug-in hybrid cars available. For the time being, the majority of those automobiles are no longer eligible. There are certain leasing loopholes if you purchase it. So, in terms of which cars got cheaper, it was a mixed bag. Indeed, I am a native of California. One of these EVs can be purchased for $10,000 less if your income qualifies and the car is suitable. That's a pretty substantial savings. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, gave numerous explanations in a prior interview with longtime Tesla supporter Ron Barron about why he thought the firm would grow to be very large in the future. Elon Musk even asserted that Tesla is spearheading the drive toward autonomy and is the finest automaker. Ron Barron expressed to Elon Musk in the interview that he believed Tesla has the potential to become the greatest automobile manufacturer in history. Welcome back to Tesla Hype, everyone. It is only reasonable to anticipate occasional fluctuations in the stock price of Tesla because, like all other stocks, it is subject to market volatility. Similarly, while investors and Tesla bulls hope that the stock will keep rising, this might not always be the case. However, this does not imply that there is cause for concern. It is evident that Tesla continues to lead the EV market, and given its advances, it seems likely that it will do so in the future. Although there may be obstacles in the market along the road, we are certain that Tesla is ready for whatever comes next. Why do we believe this? We'll talk more about that shortly, but before, Please press the like button, subscribe, and enable post alerts if you enjoy this kind of content so you can stay informed about all that Tesla is up to. Consider it from the perspective of an EV. One cannot exaggerate Tesla's contribution to the EV revolution. Indeed, its creative strategy, which includes both its cutting-edge technology and its ebullient CEO, Elon Musk, has increased interest in and demand for EVs beyond anything seen in the past. Customer opinions are changing as more electric vehicles become visible on the road and are perceived as high-performance, technologically advanced, and desired vehicles rather than compromises. Currently, the automotive industry is going through a transitional phase. The transition to electric mobility is speeding as some large cities and even entire countries are announcing plans to outlaw the sale of new internal combustion engine (IC) vehicles within the next 10 or so years. This is significant for Tesla. Before we get into the specifics of why you should continue to be positive on Tesla, let's review some basic facts about the stock market. It is dynamic and frequently unpredictable. Like any other stock, Tesla is subject to upswings and downswings in price. It's crucial to keep in mind that the company's long-term potential is not always reflected in the short-term volatility. And when it comes to Tesla, this is the whole truth. Tesla's journey is not a sprint, but a marathon. The company is focused on transforming entire sectors and developing groundbreaking technologies like FSD, not just on its quarterly performance. Tesla's long-term vision is emphasized by its dedication to innovation and sustainable energy solutions. So instead of obsessing over daily price fluctuations, how about focusing on the company's core competencies? Regarding its future prospects, Tesla's growth, market share, and development ambitions are very telling. In the big picture, a little decline could only be a blip. Because of this, you want to do the following instead: profit from price reductions. In fact, market downturns often give exceptional opportunities for purchases. Consider it akin to a Tesla stock sale. These declines may present an opportunity for long-term investors to purchase additional shares at a reduced cost, possibly resulting in large profits when the stock rises again. Undoubtedly, feelings are generally high when it comes to investing, but panic and terror during market declines can cause rash actions. Rather, make an effort to remain knowledgeable, have faith in your research, and keep an objective viewpoint in order to avoid making snap decisions that might not be in line with your long-term investing objectives. Analyst views suggest that seasoned investors should now keep in mind that a company's ultimate potential is not always reflected in its short-term volatility. It is actually advised that investors take into account industry trends, larger trends, and Tesla's distinct perspective. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has stated time and time again that the company's goal is what matters to him, not the stock price. He thinks that if the company continues to meet its objectives, the stock price will eventually rise to reflect its success. Probably not all of Tesla's revenue will come from manufacturing and selling automobiles. It might stem from the technologies that, for the time being at least, keep Tesla essentially untouchable by its automotive competitors. According to Musk, this is a major revolution that has the potential to be quite significant. He calls it the largest single-step shift in asset value history. Even if the stock price can be unsettling, keep in mind that it is only a larger portion of the investing process. Unchanged are Tesla's groundbreaking and visionary leadership, disruptive technologies, and dedication to a sustainable future. The long-term effects of Tesla are more important, despite the fact that brief price swings could garner media attention. How do you feel? Tell us in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, share this video with other investors, and of course, subscribe to be updated on everything Tesla in the always changing investing landscape. If you found this video to be interesting and helpful, click on the following video to view more thrilling updates about Tesla. I'll see you over there.